Hi everyone, and welcome back to Code Instinct. In today's video, we'll create a super cool and simple CSS text effect gradient text with smooth animation. So, stick around, and I'll guide you step by step to create this awesome effect from scratch. Before we jump in, I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all my amazing supporters on Patreon. Your contributions help me continue creating high-quality tutorials like this one. If you'd like to join the community and get access to exclusive content, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about the HTML structure. It's really simple. We're using an H1 element to display our text. Here's how it looks. This element is given a class called TextEffect, which we'll style in CSS. The HTML is straightforward, because all the magic happens in the style sheet. Now, let's break down the CSS step by step to fully understand how this gradient text effect is created. We begin with the body styling. To center the text, both vertically and horizontally, we use display, flex along with justify content, center and align items. Center. This combination ensures that everything inside the body is perfectly centered. I've also added height, 100 VH, to make the body take up the entire viewport height, and margin, 0, to remove any default spacing. For the background, I used a dark gray color, which creates a nice contrast and helps the gradient text pop visually. Next is the TextEffect class. This is where the magic truly happens. First, I set the font size to 3 rem to make the text larger and more prominent. The font weight, bold, to ensures the text has a strong and impactful appearance. For the gradient effect, I used the property background linear gradient. This creates a horizontal gradient with 4 colors: orange, pink, purple, and blue. These colors blend smoothly to form the colorful background for our text. However, the gradient alone doesn't clip to the text yet. Next, I enlarged the gradient with background size, 300%, 300%. This ensures the gradient is much larger than the text itself, giving us room to animate it. Along with this, I set color, transparent, to remove any solid color from the text, ensuring only the gradient is visible. To ensure the gradient is visible only within the text, I used background clip text. This property clips the background so that it shows through the shape of the text. Finally, I added animation to make the gradient move. Using the animation property, I applied an animation called gradient shift. This animation moves the gradient from one side to the other. It runs for 3 seconds, loops infinitely with infinite pat, and uses the linear timing function for a smooth and consistent movement. The animation itself is defined in the @keyframes gradient shift. It starts with background position, 0%, 50%, which means 0% with the gradient positioned at the far left. Background position, 100%, 50% is meaning that it shifts to the far right at 50%, and then returns to the start at 100%. This creates a smooth, looping movement that makes the gradient look alive and dynamic. When all these properties are combined, the result is an elegant text effect with a colorful gradient that scrolls horizontally across the text. The effect is fully customizable. Whether you want to change the colors, adjust the speed of the animation, or experiment with different text sizes and fonts, it's simple, yet powerful, and it's guaranteed to make your headings or titles stand out beautifully. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this CSS trick helpful and fun to implement. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Code Instinct and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Don't forget to check out my Patreon for exclusive coding projects.